Many people told that these blocks are very risky because of your metacarpals, carpals, phalanges. It may be damaged, especially your wrist joint. It's true. Look, these blocks are very risky way, but you can strengthen your hand like this, push-ups, and you can use your body weight for your wrist joints. You can turn your hands and use your body weight. You can use these exercises step by step because of these are very risky exercises. As well as you can apply like these exercises and you can strengthen your hands very well. Not only that, you can use bodybuilding for your hands strength and endurance and more exercises.